Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to unbox the third generation echodot, that is Alexa echodot, which I just got it on an offer on Amazon. So this is going to be a three-part series where in the first part, I'm going to just unbox the echodot and see what are the contents in it. It will be a short video, and the second part would be for uh, registering that over our Alexa app, how to do that, and the review on it. And the third part will be, if you do remember, I had unboxed a Eufy Genie, which is a echodot competitor. We'll be comparing both of them, and we'll see which one responds better. Okay then. Without any ado, let's start with this. Okay then. This is the Alexa echodot, which I was talking about. And it's kind of cool. The packaging is good. I did get it for a less price because of the offer. So it offers Prime, U, bulbing. I mean, that's the bulb, Ola, and many other features, whichever Alexa can do it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As you see, I've not even touched it. So let me quickly try to open it. Yeah, the seal is broken as it is supposed to be. So now let me open this. Okay, now that's a pretty little thing. This is the eco dot. Let me just take off this cover from here because that is utterly useless for us. I'm just trying not to use the knife in this case to take this off. Yeah, so this has been removed. So this is the eco dot, and it feels actually a genuine one, not like the Eufy Genie which I had purchased. This is the pamphlet along with it. Okay, that is useless for now. So next, let's see what else is there in there. Okay, we have got a big heavy duty Amazon charger with it for our Alexa. It's a 15-watt charger. That looks pretty good. So let's close this box for now. And there's nothing much more than this. So now we will see. Okay, things to try. You have music, radio, news information, call, messaging, alarms, and question. Actually, there's nothing more about it. And in echodot, how to set up the, you do have all the information over here. Download the Amazon Alexa app, plug in your Alexa echodot, set up your echodot in the Alexa app. Optional, connect to a speaker. So these are the only instructions given over here. So let's go ahead and check the pamphlet out, like what is written over here. Okay, this is the safety information and all that. It comes with a warranty and everything. So let's remove this. I think what I'll be doing is, I thought I'll be making a different review, I mean setting up video. I will be making a setting up video along with the unboxing. Yes, it is a short video, but let me just start it up first, because after that I'll be making a second video regarding the review, or else this video will go a little bit longer than anticipated. So let's see about that. So first we would be connecting the plug over here. That is connected. So if you see over here, there's mute over here, there's plus, minus, and stop. I think so that's the require pairing button. So let's go ahead and start it up first. Just give me a minute. There's nothing much to this now, so I will just cut it short here and we will come out for a second video regarding that review and how to set this up. As I told you, we will go ahead and make a different video for the review and how to set up Alexa with your Alexa app, that's echodot with your Alexa app. And then we will do a third video for comparing that with Eufy Genie. And if you did like this unboxing review, because there's nothing much in the unboxing, please go ahead and subscribe for the channel and like the video so that I can make more videos like this, and do await for the next video by subscribing to this. Until I'm listening next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day there.